Once upon a time, in the heart of the Joseon dynasty, a young king named Jeongjo ascended to the throne. His reign, known as the last renaissance of Joseon, was a beacon of hope and enlightenment. Picture this: the sun rises over the wooden palaces of Hansong. In the gentle glow of candlelight, scholars in vibrant hanboks gather, their eyes glistening with the promise of change. King Jeongjo, wise beyond his years, stands at the helm of this new era. He wasn't just a king, he was a visionary. Jeongjo believed in the power of knowledge and reform. He opened the Royal Library, a sanctuary where ancient texts mingled with new ideas. Under his watchful eye, learning flourished like blossoms in spring. Imagine the bustling streets, where students recited poetry and debated philosophy. In the market squares, artisans crafted delicate hanji paper, carrying the weight of words meant to inspire. The air buzzed with the excitement of progress. But Jeongjo's vision wasn't just about books and scholars. He sought to ease the burdens of his people. Picture the fields, where farmers toiled under the sun. King Jeongjo introduced reforms that lightened their load, ensuring fairer taxes and better livelihoods. In the royal court, he welcomed voices from every corner of Joseon. Advisors, once silenced, now shared insights under the warm glow of lanterns. Together, they crafted policies that echoed with justice and equality. Yet, this golden age wasn't without its challenges. Shadows of the past lingered, and opposition to change loomed like storm clouds. But Jeongjo, steadfast and brave, navigated these turbulent waters with grace and determination. His reign was a delicate dance, a balancing act between tradition and innovation. The wooden palaces stood tall, a testament to the harmony he sought to cultivate. And as the hanbok-clad scholars studied under the moonlit sky, hope flickered like 1,000 stars. The legacy of King Jeongjo's Renaissance was one of unity and enlightenment. It was a time when Joseon shone brightly, a jewel of the East, its warmth and wisdom reaching far beyond its borders. So, as you imagine the vibrant brushstrokes of this tale, remember King Jeongjo, the monarch who dared to dream. His story, told through the delicate lines of Korean-style animation, is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, a brighter future is always within reach. And so, the last renaissance of Joseon leaves us with a timeless lesson that the seeds of change, when nurtured with knowledge and compassion, can blossom into a lasting legacy.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!